Eliminex here, doing our next day trap check. After we installed the traps, caught 3 squirrels so far. So we get an idea how they're getting up on the roof line. I figured from the power lines to the house, to the corner, so we concentrated the trapping around here. And even with the rain, they're quite active. See little critters there. Nice and dry, out of the rain, or snow, or ice. Come get this guy. Get him out. Look, he's hiding. He playing hide and go seek. He playing hide and go seek. He's hiding. What you doing, little creature? He's hiding. I see you. So we're gonna take these guys for a ride, help them go into the most appropriate spot. I'm gonna move this trap over here. I'm gonna exchange it, put this where we caught the first one, and then this was busted open for who knows how long. I did the inspection 2 weeks ago, and I came back and I popped that back in place. It was a big section just hanging down. There's nothing supporting it, so I'm gonna have to put something, probably open it back up and put a wood brace and then secure it. And I'm looking for any other weak spots. This was an old spot that they patched up in the past. Something got in there in the past, so we're gonna catch all these suckers first, and then I'm gonna go pest proof. There's some weak spots. I'll make another video showing the weak spots up on the roof line, the corners and edges. Gonna pest proof all that, and then there will be no more squirrels. And also here, they also can go shimmy right up. That's big enough for them to crawl up. Rats, mice, squirrels can go right up, go back and forth. So I'm going to put, it looks like somebody already had the idea. I'm going to put a bag here, shove it in place. And then somebody, looks like somebody maybe did that already. Let's see if that bag moves, and then we'll know. Alright. On a nicer day, I can put the ladder up and I'll continue the video.